Matt here, Atlas Precision Consulting. Today's video, we're going to start talking about mass updates. In this video in particular, we're going to cover permissions. We're going to cover role permissions for mass update, and then we're also going to cover how you can do individual user permissions. So to start off with, I just happen to be in the user maintenance screen just because I can show you all of things in one screen. Now, to do role permissions, first of all, a user has to have their designer rights set to admin. If they are set to admin here, they will see this box on any screen that has mass updates called mass updates permissions. Most of your users will only see the standard mass update button, but mass update permissions allows you to go to a particular screen. So we could say, hey, in user maintenance, we only want the all. We don't want the front office, so we can change that to disabled. And we don't want the warehouse to see that, so we can change that to disabled. So that way, when anybody in those roles come to this screen or whatever screen you're doing it in, they won't see this mass update button right here. Now, you can also limit an individual user from all mass update windows. So even if they're in a role, say they're in the admin role or the all role, but you still don't want them doing mass updates. If you come to the application security under their user account, you'll see about a third way down the page, there's allow mass update within a window. If you just change this to no and save it, anytime they come in, they will not see this mass update button. So that's the easiest way to control the permissions on who can access mass updates. The only one that's a little unclear is the designer rights set to admin, which will activate this mass update button. If I turn this to none or user or whatever, it will not allow me to have the mass updates permission button. Stay tuned for some more mass update videos. I'm going to do a whole series of them. If you guys have questions about mass updates or anything else, put a comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, Atlas is here for your P21 needs.